Hi guys, so I am back in my car. So let's try to clean the steering wheel. Hopefully we can get it clean. It is too shiny. I don't like it. It's not supposed to be like that. So let's try to get it matte again. And I bought this. It's a Rupes letter cleaner and hopefully it's gonna clean it. That's what showed up as a recommended thing. A lot of people have been using water, but we will see. And it also came with the sponges. I don't know, we'll see. If not, I have some microfiber cloth that I'll also try, so hopefully it works. If you hear the fan, it's just because it's cold. So I sprayed some on this already, so just try to rub it off and then we will see how it goes. And now I'm gonna wipe it off. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god, you can see that I did not get in here. It's shiny and here it's matte. Oh, it feels good. But look here. Oh my god, it feels so sticky. In here it feels brand new. Oh my god. Now let's do the rest of the steering wheel. Oh, that's gonna look amazing. And then maybe I'll try this ugly gear shifter. Need to get a new one, but maybe I'll try that one as well. You should have seen down in here. Oh my god, I should have filmed it. Oh, you can still see it. Look at all that dirt. Here, I got a lot of it out, but holy cow, look at all that dirt. I'm actually gonna say that I am looking really pleased. Still a little bit wet with this. Look at that. All that dirt came out. Do you think it came out? Maybe I should have used a brush. But anyway, it looks nice. All that shininess came out. Oh, still a little bit shiny on top, isn't it? Let's see if I can get it. But probably that's because I'm holding there more often. Let's see how it comes out. If it gets better, or if not. It might just because of the flash also. Yeah. Oh, it did end up coming out better. That looks nice. No more shiny steering wheel. And then this. Ooh, filthy. I wonder how this is gonna come out. It is such an ugly gear shifter. Ugly. It did end up coming out a lot better. You can still see some shiny stuff, but I do feel like it's a heck of a lot better. Now it's, of course, it's a wet from my cloth, but let's see. Rub it a little bit more. Getting some of the stuff off. That is looking a lot better. Still an ugly gear shifter. At least now it's clean.